Good morning. Today is Monday, November 27. The time right now is 7:33 in the morning. Over the week itself, we know that we have a shortened week of trading last week. Basically, the US and Japan market were closed for the Thanksgiving holidays, and on Friday, it was only half a day session in New York. So we can see that the market has been pretty tame. Today, we're going to spend a bit of time to talk about the dollar versus the yen. Now, we can see that the dollar yen actually traded to a high this year so far at 151.91. That's exactly 2 Mondays away, and the high traded in October 21st last year was at 151.94. So there was a failed attempt to take out last year's high, and dramatically the market now has reversed downwards all the way to 147.15. Now this is made worse by the fact that there was a failed attempt to take out last year's high. And then on the back of a cooler than expected CPI numbers that we saw coming out from the States caused a wholesale unwinding of long dollar yen, long dollar position. And that, of course, also impacted negatively the dollar yen trades. We can see the dollar yen actually went all the way down to 147.15 before rebounding last week to just under 150 levels. And it is no accident here because we can see that there is a long-legged shadow doji here, which is actually a reversal pattern, and prices trade into this bracket of prices throughout the entire range of this candle bar here on a 4 hours time frame, and that consists of 149.5 to 150. You can see just under 150, and the market traded to a high of 149.75 before it was capped. So this was the price action into the later session on last week, and this could actually be a moment in which prices may not be able to go much higher. I suspect that it will probably unwind lower to re-challenge the 147.15 levels in the days ahead. Now, of course, we also saw data that is also not very friendly in terms of the economic outlook. We see that the CPIs continue to be above the official target rate. And of course, last week we saw data coming in from the Purchasing Managers Index. Manufacturing continue to contract since June, and then services have an incremental improvement in terms of their numbers. But by and large, you can see that the Japanese economy is slowing down. So whether or not the BOJ is going to change the monetary stand remains to be seen. So far, the market does not believe that they have any choice right now but to maintain the status quo. Now, so by and large, technically speaking, I do expect dollar yen to unwind lower to re-challenge the 147.15 levels going forward. So this is my view. You can take a look at it and see whether it actually pans out. In the meantime, this is all I have for you, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with another update. Bye-bye.